Greeting, I'm Ken, engineer from SZGH. Now I'm going to introduce our best-selling new generation welding robot, the SZGH H1600 10C with 1600mm reach, 10 kg payload, and 6 axis configuration.
This is new generation status stem from the integrated design, embedding the control cabinet directly into the base for optimal space efficiency, equivalent to a complementary 500mm riser. The structure utilizes high-grade aluminum alloy for reduced weight and at least 25% faster operational speed than fuel modules. For enhanced reliability, the control cabinet features an integrated drive with direct connection architecture, eliminating complex wiring. This enables true plug-and-play operation with a single power cable connection. If you want to know more about the robots, please be free to contact us for more information.